I'm sorry.
Have him approach 18th Street from Tampa. He got into his play. Tell the car not to come into the scene. Don't go past Curtis.
Well, I think that's what the screams are that I heard. I thought it was these guys out here. And then I just see a mob of people just coming down here. All right.
What were you guys doing? What'd you hear?
I work with Snow White Linen, and we're making a delivery right here at Planzano.
Yeah, we're making a delivery right across the street, and all of a sudden I hear the scream coming down. I thought it was the construction guys, and then we look up, and then the rails just hitting it back and forth, man, knocking all the windows down.
It was going side to side, man.
You should have seen all the glass that was coming down, man.
Yeah, it was crazy. It just flew all over the place.
Yeah.
Did you see people in there? Or?
Yeah, well, we saw the people. The thing was a little bit higher on top, man. As you can see, it was on the higher floor, and then all we heard was a scream, ah! And I thought it was the construction guys, man. And then I just seen the rail just started going back and forth, knocking all the windows out, man.
You can hear it from way over
there.
there.
You can hear it. We can hear it. We're down right here, making a delivery, man.
So what were you thinking?
I don't know.
We didn't know what happened. We just heard glass, boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, everything just happened quick, man.
And we turned around. It's like, what the hell's going on here? You know?
Yeah, man, it's crazy.
But that thing was swaying back.
It was swaying. It was swaying pretty far up, man. But that kind of damage. I don't know what the hell you're doing cleaning windows with this kind of wind, but
there's a wind advisory, man.
Yeah.
I don't want that.